Hey, this is Craig with Authentic Braille Damage. Now we're going to get some input. We need to be able to read input from the user. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to use console.readLine. And console.readLine is going to return a string. So we'll store that into a variable called answer. And then we'll see how it comes out. Write line. Your answer was answer. This is another way that we can concatenate variables. So I could have also done this. Well, actually, no, I don't think I could have. So yeah, this is fine. The plus sign will concatenate the string to this other string. So let's try it out. Hello. Your answer was hello. You bet it was. All right. Well, that works. So read line. So one of the things we got to figure out is how are we going to tell each player where to put in input. So I think the way that we're going to do that is we're going to create a way that they can enter in that information. So if we do something like this will be 1, this will be 2, this will be 3. And on this side, if we kind of move everything over by 1, and then we say this will be A, this will be B, and this will be C. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, that looks good. So then we can tell the user, we can say console.writeLine player X, it's your turn. Please. Okay. And then let's do another one then. Console.writeLine. Please enter a letter, then a number. Example, A2. And then console.writeLine. There, that should look fancy. Okay. Oh, I didn't want to, you know what? I don't want to do a write line. I want to do a write. Because I want it to be on the same line. There we go. Let's try this. There we go. So I go A2. Great. The problem, though, is I could really put in anything I want. So we're going to have to figure out a way of testing for the input. So once we have the answer, what's going to be a good way of doing that? We could, let's look at all the methods we have. Clone, compare to, contains, copy to, ends with, equals, get a numerator, get hash code, get type, index of. Maybe we could use that. Split, we could split it. We could do to char array. That might work. Let's try to char array. And let's see what options we have here. We have 2, starting index and length. So we could go, starting index would be 0, and the length would be 2. And then this, as you'll see, this returns a char array. So arrays. Char array. So then let's console.write line. The first character is char array 0. Console.write line. The second character is all right. Let's see what happens. Let's put in A3 or no, A4. Yeah, A3. The first character is A, the second character is 3. That's wonderful. Yeah, so we can do some error checking here to see whether or not it's too large. And that'll work. Or we could just take these two and then we could like compare them. So we could just say if char 0 equals, and now I'm going to do, so this is the constant for string, the double quotes. The single quote is a constant for char. So we could do A, by the way, larger case A and smaller case A are 2 different things. So another thing we can do is we can go char dot to, oh no, we can't do this. Oh, it's because I'm doing it wrong. Char array 0 dot to, oh man. Okay, let's do this. We're going on our answer. We're going to go to upper and then do to char array. So this is, we're calling this first function, and then we're calling the second function. We could split this out. We could say string uppercase equals answer dot to upper, and then here would be our uppercase, just so that this makes more sense. Like, you can piggyback those. There's another name for it. I can't think of the name right now. It's actually a design pattern. So once we put it to upper, that way if they enter a lowercase case a, we won't run into a problem. So if char array 0 equals a, then what we can do is we can say within here, we can go if char array 1 equals 1. Now again, this is not a number. This is still a character. So this has a different, it's recorded differently in memory as a 1. It's got a different ASCII code, which I believe it might be. Is it 49? I don't remember. Anyway, I used to know all that stuff. I used to have all that. I don't remember why I even used to know that. So if A1, then what we can do is we can say board 1 equals X. Now, we got a problem because how are we going to get back up here and print this again? We got to do that. So we're going to work on that right now. And we're going to institute the game loop. So what we'll do is we're going to use a keyword called while. So while true, it's going to run this over and over. It's just going to keep on going over and over, but it's going to stop at this read line. So let's take a look at this. So we'll do A2 or A3. See, nothing happens because we're only checking for A1. So let's do A1. There, now we have an X. But I don't really like the way this keeps on printing things over and over. So let's use another console command, console.clear. And let's see what this looks like. So we do A1 and it's got our X. Isn't that cool? Yeah, I like that. Now if we do A2, oh wait, look at this. We have to change where these numbers are not lining up. All right, so let's terminate this, and we need to bring this in a little bit. I think so we got 1, 2, 3. So we got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That should be. Let's make sure that looks good. That looks good. A2. No, I didn't. Darn it. A2. Didn't do anything. All right, so let's add in our other examples. So they might say A2, so we'll do else if char array 1 equals 2 board 2 equals X. Else if char array 2 equals character 3 board 3 equals X. All right, now what we can do is we can grab all this and we can do else, paste it, and do another one, else, paste it. And then here we can make this a B and make this a C. And then we'll just have to add board 4 for this, board 5 for this, board 6 for this, board 7, board 8, and board 9. All right. We're going to have a lot of X's. So let's play it and see how it looks. A1, X. A3. Did I accidentally put... I must have accidentally put a breakpoint in here. That's hilarious. Okay, A1, A3. Char array. Oh. I don't know what. Yeah, okay, I see what I did wrong. It's erroring, but it's not saying that it's erroring, and I don't understand why. For some reason I made that a 2. Because there's only 2. Okay. Let's play this. A1, A3, A2. And then we can do B2. What happens if we do BB? Nothing. What if we do A5? Nothing. B1. B3. Let's just fill these all out. C1, C2, and C3. That's great. So that's working. I like that. So now, yeah, why didn't my error pad errors? My errors should have came up. Yeah, let's do that again and see what happens. Because I should have seen an error. So I did A3. Oh, B3. 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 What is going on? Why are you doing this? It's creating a condition. Okay, let's go look at pads errors. Nothing. Nothing here. Strange. Okay. And then we'll do the, code. We want code. Okay. So let's change this back to 1. And get rid of that. All right. This is wonderful. Nice. All right. In the next one, we will be able to change the player character and we'll start getting a working tic-tac-toe board. And then we can add some more logic. Talk to you later.